머나먼 미국 캘리포니아주의 어느 숲속. 추락사고로 하나뿐인 아들 마테오를 잃은 그녀는 아이가 좋아했던 장난감을 내려놓고 그의 비석에 이니셜을 새긴 뒤 벼랑 끝으로 발걸음을 옮깁니다. 아들을 잃고 삶의 의욕을 잃은 그녀는 눈을 감고 생을 마감하려 하는데
Beautiful day. I heard it was an amazing view, but don't mind me. I saw the memorial back there. Is that...
I'm not talking about it.
I'm Richard. Look, you're really making me nervous. If you're not going to step back, why don't you at least tell me your name? I know you want to be alone. I wanted to be alone too. What? I don't need you to tell me your life story.
You're not gonna stop me.
I used to be a car guy. Beautiful little Integra. Week before graduation. Worst part was Chloe and I were arguing just before the crash.
I'm sorry.
That's what everyone says. They had me in traction. Couldn't move for 2 months, 2 weeks, and 4 days. And all that time, anyone who came to visit, all they could say to me was, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. Just don't bother saying anything. Carving our initials in the tree. We didn't even hear him when he... I wish it would have taken me instead. The world takes what it wants. The part I hate the most is that I want to, but I haven't been able to cry.
Broken doesn't have to mean hopeless. It was nice to meet you.
Iris.
Really is a beautiful day.
남성의 따뜻한 공감과 위로에 아이리스는 마음을 바꾸고 그를 따라 주차장으로 내려갑니다.
Well, Richard, I guess this is goodbye.
I'll take today.
그런데 이상하게 너무나 가까운 그의 차량.
Sorry.
이어 우산을 들고 다가오는데
That's okay. I can, go around.
바로 이 남성의 정체는 사이코패스였던 것이었습니다. 그렇게 얼마 후 아이리시는 정신을 차리는데
Please, go through the process. There is no red dot.
Please don't do this.
Please don't do this. Don't hurt me. Brought you something. Tell me about your boy. What was his name?
It's Mateo. And Chloe?
I know what you're doing. Soften me up.
Okay, Richard. What are you gonna do to me when we get there?
Couldn't have been more perfect.
Stay the fuck away from me.
Half an hour ago, you were ready to end it all. Have you started to feel it yet?
What did you do to me?
It's a special relaxant to make things easier on both of us. At minute 1, your fine motor skills will start to go. 18, your breathing will become labored. Your voice.
Running is only gonna make it work faster.
알 수 없는 약을 주입당한 아이리스. 서둘러 도망쳐보지만
Have your fingers started to go?
점점 약효가 들기 시작합니다.
Last about an hour.
그의 말처럼 근육에 힘이 들어가지 않게 되고
20 minutes.
We found a good hiding place. You won't be able to swim.
겨우 계곡으로 몸을 던진 아이리스는 나뭇잎처럼 떠내려가기 시작하는데
어.
20분이 경과되자 아이리스의 몸은 완전히 굳어버리죠. 그런데 그때 시야에 들어오는 한 남성. 그는 바로 숲속의 작은 오두막에서 거주하는 자연인이었습니다.
Okay. Can you hear me?
How did you get all the way out here? Can you talk? I'm gonna roll you over. So, you can see me? Do that again. You can hear me. Are you able to move at all? Can't move, can't talk, am I right? Are you hurt? That's good. I'm gonna take you inside, call 911, okay?
극적으로 남성을 만난 아이리스. 그의 도움을 받아 오두막으로 향하는데 바로 뒤이어 그가 이곳에 도착합니다.
Oh, thank God. This happened so fast. Have you seen her? She's 5'6". She's pretty.
I'll get you some help. I asked you to stay put.
Confused, okay?
Listen, man. On those terms, we take this back outside. I can call 911, ask for help finding your wife. Or I can call 911 and tell them I have an intruder in.
If you want to call, just call the...
To make a call, please hang up and try.
What's your name?
Andrew.
Talk.
Oh, thank you.
남성은 소파에 앉아 천연덕스럽게 온갖 거짓말로 그를 속이기 시작하는데
I can't lose her.
What's her name?
Chloe. We were arguing. She hates when I yell, but said she was leaving me, and I just got so... That's the last thing I remember. When I came to, she was just gone. See, when she's really bad, she goes catatonic.
Catatonic.
Refuses to move, refuses to talk. Do you have someone in your life?
She had a heart attack.
The world takes what it wants.
You love your wife.
More than you know.
I haven't been straight with you.
In what way?
You said you lost your phone.
I'm still a bit out of it.
Well, those woods are a big place.
No. What'd you have to tell me?
Nothing.
Tell me something, Willie.
How do you know my name?
I read it on your mail. You always do heavy gardening in the kitchen? Where is she?
Would have told you sooner.
Where?
In the shed. I bet. It's the truth. Take a look.
Give me the phone first.
You think I'm afraid of you? There's a man in my house, and I'm pretty sure he means to hurt me.
There's a couple of units on the way. Please, or if you're there, say something.
오두막에서 소사하기 직전 그녀는 블라인드를 움직여 자신의 위치를 알려주고 다시 사이코의 품으로 돌아갑니다.
You see what you made me do? Never killed a man before. Hello? Hey, sweetie. How are you?
Mom says we can celebrate at breakfast tomorrow. That's okay. Mom says we're coming up to the cabin.
Can you put your mom on the phone? Oh, if I need this time away.
So sorry if we have to cut into your mountain bat. We're coming up.
Come up.
Great. Should be there about 10.
한 자녀의 아버지였던 사이코. 이어 그는 부족한 차량 연료에 주유소로 향합니다. 남성이 가게로 향하고 필사적으로 손을 움직이는 아이리스. 하지만 약효는 금방 사라지지 않았죠.
What are you doing? I just wanted to say hello.
너무나도 무력하게 지나가는 사람들을 바라볼 수밖에 없는 아이리스. 그렇게 절호의 기회를 놓쳐버리죠. 다시 차를 타고 남성의 차량으로 돌아온 두 사람. 너무나도 익숙하게 범행 도구들을 준비하는 사이코. 그런데 그들의 앞에 순찰대원이 다가옵니다.
Got a call about this truck. You mind if I talk to your passenger? I need to ensure she's responsive.
My wife is drunk.
What's your name?
Andrew.
You have ID on you?
Yeah, of course.
Well, now this is a problem. Your license is expired.
I've been meaning to get around to that.
And who does the truck belong to?
A buddy of mine, Bill.
Tell me exactly what happened here.
See, officer, my wife peeled herself off the floor this morning. Took the car for a joyride. Herself around a fairly good-sized tree.
See, the call we received said both you and your wife were at the gas station.
Before I fueled up.
Any reason you didn't call 911? You say you weren't in the car.
No, sir.
Then what happened to your face? Can't answer the question. Ma'am, miss.
위기에 놓인 그는 아이리스의 사연을 태연자약하게 늘어놓기 시작하는데
Since we lost our little boy, our beautiful little Mateo, he fell a long way and she wasn't watching him when she should have been. You want to know why I didn't call 911, officer? Because no one can save her.
Ma'am?
Officer, she's...
So you mind stepping back for me, please?
바로 그때 차량의 주사기를 발견하는데 앤드류는 순찰대원마저 살해버리죠. 그렇게 경찰차마저 불태우고 급히 자리를 뜨는 앤드류.
Going quiet as tomorrow's a big day. Family time. Have you ever tried it?
No.
Of course not. Chicken shit. Make yourself help. When what's her face died, stuck in bed for 2 months. Is that when you lost your mind?
I didn't lose my mind. All my life disconnected. Until those moments after the crash. Angle of her neck that she was breathing her last breath. Finally felt connected. Trying to figure out if I had felt God. And he was me.
생각보다 미친놈이었던 앤드류. 침착하게 다시 회유해보는데
Keep doing this. Your daughter.
Don't talk about my daughter.
Just leave me on the side of the road. I don't know your name. I don't know where you're broken. Doesn't have to mean hopeless.
I'm not fucking broken. Change your plans, Iris.
앤드류의 화를 돋은 아이리스. 그는 곧바로 아이리스를 살해하기로 하죠.
Last stop. I still have plenty of company down there.
기습 공격을 시도한 아이리스. 하지만 엄지에 힘이 들어가지 않습니다.
As your muscles come back, they'll be an uncoordinated mess, but your body won't sustain them.
Why didn't you just let me do it?
Do what?
Why did you stop me?
You did it yourself. It was fate. You were meant for me.
Bullshit. There is no fate, and that means there's just you.
그렇게 속절없이 앤드류의 손에 이끌려 강가로 나가는 아이리스. 서둘러 방법을 찾아야 합니다.
Look how far you've come.
Can you do one thing for me? Can you get Mateo's boat? It's in my pocket.
자포자기한 듯한 아이리스의 울음에 앤드류는 그녀의 부탁을 들어주는데
I'm not sorry.
방심한 앤드류를 속여 겨우 목숨을 부지한 아이리스. 그런데 배에 물이 차오르기 시작합니다. 약효가 떨어진 아이리스. 가까스로 목숨을 부지합니다.
Thank you.
이렇게 아이리스는 생존하며 영화는 끝이 납니다. 머나먼 미국 와이오밍 어딘가.
Right here?
Yep.
Okay. I've never done this before. What do I do?
Try and forget that there's a camera here. What brings you to Wyoming?
My boyfriend and I wanted to see all 50 states. Shit. So sorry.
You don't need to apologize. Hey, look at me. You're beautiful, okay? It's fine.
But where the baby came. And then he just left.
Have you told your family?
No.
이별한 여성의 넋두리를 들어주며 사진을 찍는 남성. 그런데 갑자기 남성이 돌변하기 시작합니다. 한편 1978년의 할리우드 오디션을 보고 있는 셰릴도 자신에게 닥칠 위험을 전혀 알지 못했죠.
No, that was great. And you're okay with nudity?
No. It's just not for me.
We'll be in touch. Thank you.
혼자서 할리우드로 이사와 배역을 따내려 노력하지만 점점 회의감이 드는 셰릴.
Hey!
Not that great, I don't think.
그렇게 집에 돌아온 셰릴에게 에이전시로부터 전화 한 통이 걸려옵니다.
No, I just walked in the door. Did they call already?
Well, they thought you weren't quite right.
I'm not really sure what I'm doing in LA anymore.
You know, the ABC studios where they shoot all those. Oh, I booked you a guest spot on a TV show.
Right, but I didn't audition. What's the show?
그녀는 조금이라도 얼굴을 알리기 위해 에이전시가 연결해준 남성 중심 데이트 프로그램에 출연하기로 하죠.
You know, I didn't think I'd come out here and be famous.
You're locked in your apartment?
And I haven't even been on a date in 2 years. Helen says it's good because it'll get me seen. You think I'm being a brat?
No.
I don't want to look like garbage for that.
You always look beautiful.
Oh my God, sorry. That just took me by surprise. I think I'm a little jumpy. I had a weird...
Yeah, no, I get it.
함께 대사를 주고받으며 상부상조하는 테리의 플러팅. 셰릴은 그와 하룻밤을 보내버리고
Wake up. Can't stay here.
1979년 집을 나온 가출 소녀 에이미 또한 그녀에게 닥칠 일을 알지 못했죠.
Hey, we need to keep this out clear. Unbelievable.
Can I help you with something, buddy?
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. The light is perfect. You're beautiful. The Linda Mans thing going on.
Well, consider me fucking swimmed.
So you ever done any modeling before? Hold that pose. Now look over your left shoulder and give me that look you just gave me. There she is.
에이미는 남성의 모델이 되어주기로 하고 1978년에 셰릴은 데이트 프로그램 녹화장에 도착합니다.
They're idiots. All of them. Oh, it was really too bad.
Hello. Hey, how's everybody doing?
Yeah, hi.
Hey, can you do me a favor?
Yeah.
I don't want you to play so smart. All right? I just need you to laugh and smile just over and over. Hey, Bruce, can you hear me?
We're ready for you.
All right, everybody, let's get started.
Yeah, fine. Good to go.
Okay, oh, just watch your step here.
그리고 잠시 시간을 거슬러 올라가 1971년 뉴욕으로 이사 온 여성 찰리. 기쁜 마음으로 페인트질이 한창인 그때 몸에 묻은 페인트를 닦아내느라 이삿짐 센터의 초인종 소리를 듣지 못하고 이렇게 순간의 우연으로 찰리의 운명은 180도 바뀌어버리죠.
Hey, is this for 2A?
We've been ringing the apartment for 10 minutes. Tommy, let's go.
You're just gonna leave it all out here? Hey, Ansel Adams.
너무나도 평범해 보이는 남성. 그는 뛰어난 입담으로 금방 만난 여성과 쉽게 친분을 쌓을 수 있었습니다.
So what now?
I'm gonna be teaching kids photography. It's my last day here, and I meet you.
Yeah, no, I'm the same way. To get unpacking, it's like, thank you so much for your help.
So you said you were a stewardess?
Yeah. I mean, I get to see the world and travel for... I think at first I was afraid that...
Can I take a picture?
한편 방송에 출연한 셰릴.
Goodness, you were a beauty. What a knock.
그리고 그녀를 기다리는 3명의 남성.
There are 3 bachelors behind this partition.
하필 그들 중 평범한 인간의 가면을 쓴 남성이 끼어 있었죠.
We're gonna have a great time together, Cheryl.
그리고 그를 보자 잊고 있던 장면들이 떠오르는 한 방청객.
And here we go.
Bachelor number 1. You're a nerdy schoolboy asking me out on a date.
You know, I'm a nerdy schoolboy. Do you want to go on a date?
Is that it? Like it, Bachelor number 1.
녹화가 시작되자 선명해진 로라의 기억. 바로 작년 친구와 함께 해변으로 놀러 갔던 그날 그곳에서 남성을 만났고 다음날 친구는 죽음으로 발견된 것이었습니다.
Now, I'm coming in, okay? If you're in there, I served you for dinner. I gotta get out of here. Bachelor number 2?
Jesus, what the f*** was that?
겁에 질린 로라는 서둘러 녹화장을 빠져나가죠.
To hear from our sponsors.
What the fuck was that?
Oh, we got some time. Who's here from out of town, huh?
로라를 보고 무언가 찜찜한 셰릴. 그리고 로라는 놀란 마음을 다독이기 시작합니다. 그리고 77년 로스앤젤레스의 신문사.
This is new guy, Mario, right?
Yeah. Right. I mean, that's how the industry works. Okay.
It's nice. I feel like you look great in that light. So, if you're around, I mean, I'm not busy.
Rod, some people are here to see you. It's the police.
My place, it jacked last week, so they're probably just following up on that, you know. See you guys later.
여러 차례 시민들의 신고를 받은 남성. 하지만 그는 태연자약하게 경찰의 의심을 피해갔습니다.
Hey, thank you guys, yeah? Appreciate it.
So, I can't. They actually want me to stay late. Another time?
Yeah.
Sorry.
다시 돌아와 78년의 녹화장. 셰릴은 예능 프로그램의 꼭두가시가 된 것 같은 느낌에 회의감이 들기 시작하고.
What is it? What's the matter? Just feels a little weird. Oh, fuck it. So just be yourself. Say whatever you want. You're not coming back next week.
You guys all sit down there? In place, everyone! Laura, are you okay?
Hey,
I know Bachelor number 3.
did you date him or something?
Do you remember my friend Allison? And there was that guy at the beach. Shouldn't have left her there. I think I knew something was off about that guy.
Bachelor number 3? Oh, how sure?
Like 90%.
I'm not saying that I don't believe you, Laura. I'm sure you don't think they vet their contestants. Maybe the police, they looked into them and they cleared them.
Get out.
공포에 떠는 로라. 그녀는 스튜디오에 들어가 프로그램 책임자에게 이를 알려주기로 합니다.
Can I help you with something?
I need to speak with someone on the dating game.
What for?
Last year, a friend of mine was and murdered. I think that the guy that killed her is up on that stage right now.
Hey, Jim, I'm gonna have to call you back. You can have a seat if you like.
Excuse me? I'm supposed to meet with someone named George Elliott. Do you know where I could find him?
I doubt that very much, because I'm George Elliott.
What?
Security guard out front, he set this up, yeah?
Excuse me.
한편 후회가 남지 않게 방송에 임하기로 한 셰릴. 남성 출연자들에게 그녀가 직접 작성한 질문들을 던지는데.
Bachelor number 1. What are girls for?
What do you mean? Girls are, having fun with.
Are these a scripted question?
Bachelor number 2.
Why does this feel like a trap?
Bachelor number 2. I think you answered my question. Bachelor number 3. What are girls for?
What are girls for? So I'd have to say that that's up to the girl.
Oh, yeah, we love that. Tell me, what's the most disgusting thing Bachelors 1 and 2 have said or done backstage?
I can't repeat it word for word as how we're on television and all, but thoughts about bra sizes being a prerequisite for a meaningful relationship.
Then we'll be right back.
Once the show is over, I want this cunt out of here.
So, who are you gonna pick? The question beneath the question remains the same. Which one of you will hurt me?
Hey, man. What the fuck?
We're gonna have words.
Here. Oh, Jesus, what the fuck?
Fucking weirdo.
All right, folks, everyone in place.
Go here, you. You're right there. But now it is time to make a decision.
여성의 마음을 잘 알고 있는 살인마의 대답들에 셰릴은 남성을 선택해버리고 다른 남성들은 녹화장을 떠나는데.
Marvelous job. Please meet Arnie Asley.
Careful with that asshole.
Please welcome Rodney Alcala. Well, you did it, Ron.
And you got the girl.
Thanks, Ed.
아찔한 우연으로 남성과 엮이게 된 셰릴. 촬영이 끝난 후 남성은 천연덕스럽게 셰릴에게 접근합니다.
Cheryl? The whole thing was crazy. I mean, do you want to go somewhere now?
Is that your stuff?
Let's see what I'm working with.
I won 500 with that one. All right, well, enough of this crap. Why don't you spill it out? Where are you from? So you're a runaway.
You make me sound like I'm Oliver fucking Twist.
They must be worried.
Cammy's too loaded to worry about anything.
That must have been tough.
When did your dad walk out on you? Yep. It's chocolate. You're my Valentine.
It's not. It's just up that hill.
Hill?
Yeah, right by the edge. I'll turn around, face the light. You're a natural. Now look up straight to the sky.
촬영 후 남성과 시간을 갖는 셰릴. 재치가 넘치는 남성의 입담에 셰릴도 남성에게 호감을 느끼기 시작하는데.
I probably passed you on the subway.
I think I would remember you.
바로 그때 싸늘하게 느껴지는 남성의 질문.
How do you feel right now?
Fine.
Can you give us another round?
We're just closing up.
It's a shame.
We'll have to get out of here then, huh?
Yeah.
Park back at the lot?
Yeah.
What's your number? Something wrong?
No?
Thanks.
Good night.
Hey, can you tell me your number? I want to make sure I have the right one. You
Yeah, just let me see it and
can't repeat it from memory? All right. Maybe I'll see you around. When you get your fucking head bashed in.
What?
남성의 정체를 알게 된 쉘을 서둘러 차를 향해 걸어가는데 바로 그때 방송국 사람들이 주차장으로 걸어 나오고 셰릴은 가까스로 화를 면하게 됩니다. 한편 로라는 다음 날 경찰서를 찾아가 신고를 하지만 경찰들은 그녀의 말을 대수롭지 않게 여겼죠. 이어 셰릴은 배우의 꿈을 접고 고향으로 돌아가기로 합니다.
Bye, Helen. This is everything, so we're good to go.
한편 남성의 기습에서 정신을 차린 에이미, 그녀의 옆에서 울고 있는 남성을 발견하고 일촉즉발의 순간 에이미는 침착하게 기지를 발휘하기 시작합니다.
Hey, are you okay? I guess things got pretty crazy last night. Do you think that you could do me a favor? Do you think that you could not tell anyone? I would just be so fucking embarrassed. You know how judgmental people can be. Thank you. Do you want to go back to your place? Can you help me with these? Someone knows how to tie a knot. Something tells me you were a Boy Scout.
폭행을 당한 에이미는 되려 남성에게 비밀로 해달라고 이야기해 가까스로 목숨을 부지하죠.
I just wanted to say I'm sorry if I was rough with you back there.
It's okay, baby.
그리고 그녀는 흐르는 눈물을 참아내며 겁먹지 않은 척 태연하게 행동합니다. 잠시 후 주유소에 도착한 에이미.
You want something?
I'm okay.
남성이 화장실에 간 사이 서둘러 카페로 도망칩니다.
He's done.
야심한 시각 크리스마스 트리 가게에 들어서는 한 남성.
It's not as easy as we anticipated getting this Novichok. Custom inspector doubled his price.
가방에 들은 현금을 확인하고 거래가 성사되는데
Behind the shop.
바로 그때
Oleg! Oleg!
두 남성을 아무렇지 않게 쓰러뜨리고 증거들을 불태운 뒤 유유히 현장을 떠납니다. 한편 그날 새벽 한 쌍둥이의 예비 부모가 된 커플 노라와 이선. 둘은 아침 일찍 기상해 출근 준비를 시작합니다.
You're up. When do you think the bump comes?
I did not Google that.
I hope soon.
Have a holly jolly Christmas. I love Christmas. This is what we wanted, and we got what we wanted.
It's okay to be nervous.
I'm not scared. Further along by the time this happened. You know, like in life.
공항에 도착한 그때 노라는 이선에게 경찰학교에 다시 지원해보면 어떻겠냐고 이야기를 꺼내줘.
Why the academy all of a sudden?
Because it was the last time that you were excited about your life. And the second that you didn't get in, that guy checked out. You applied once. How many times did you ask me out? You followed me to LA when I got a job here. And then you took a job at the same place so we could have lunch together.
You asked me out.
Just do me a favor and think about it.
경찰 배치를 앞두고 불합격한 이선은 꿈을 포기하고 냉소적으로 변했고 인생에 흥미를 잃은 지 오래였죠. 이선이 안쓰러웠던 노라는 그가 재계하길 누구보다 바라고 있었습니다.
I'll see you at lunch.
Okay.
Keep the line moving, keep the people safe.
Ah, Kopeck, just in time. to miss everything.
You've all been issued brand new counterfeit pens, and call me or any other Leo for all in.
Stay alert, stay vigilant.
이어 이선은 절친한 동료 제이슨에게 고민을 털어놓고 제이슨은 그를 북돋아주죠.
She just wants you to show up. I'll see you out there.
그렇게 이선은 노라의 바람대로 다시 한번 의지를 갖고 살아보기로 하고 상사 사르코스키에게 다가갑니다.
You know, I got off to a slow start, but I'd like to do better. Are you gonna ask me for a bump? You're growing a real set of balls there, young man. Let me see it. Yeah, no. Nora's pregnant. Yeah, I heard. I'm not giving you a promotion, okay? I need guys that give more than the bare minimum. Nice speech, though. And congrats on the kid.
You're right. I haven't shown initiative. And I came in late today.
Not a fake better than the lead.
I want to be here. I know I do because I thought about quitting today. I realized I'd be quitting before I'd even tried. Put me on the machine.
Give him my spot. That'll free up a lead to work between D and E.
그렇게 제이슨이 자신의 자리를 내어주고 이선은 승진 기회를 얻게 되죠.
See you, bro.
Here, take this Clorox pen.
I gotta say, I'd be screwed without you, Lionel.
3년 만에 처음 앉아보는 보안 검색 때 기분 좋게 자리에 앉아 근무를 시작하는 한편 은밀하고 다급하게 연락을 주고받는 남성들.
The day shift is clocking in.
이들은 이선이 앉은 보안 검색대를 철저히 감시하고 있었죠.
There's someone else at the scanner. Sending it to you now.
Stay calm. Pull his file.
Kopeck in New Brunswick, New Jersey. He's been with the TSA for 3 years. No promotions.
3 years and still entry level. I know this guy.
He lives on 5th and Rose. You're 5 minutes away.
No matter what, this gets done today.
어떤 일이 벌어지고 있는지 알 리 없는 이선에게 한 여성이 다가옵니다.
This isn't mine.
I'll add it to the lost and found.
Just relax, okay? One bag for one life. An associate of mine is going to step into your line with a boarding pass. If it's any consolation, you were not my first choice.
What's in the bag?
Yeah, maybe because knowing won't change. Jason's house is right nearby. A nice rental on 6th Street.
Who are you?
Probably a lot like you.
And you're watching me right now?
Yes, I am. You should put that down before Sarkowski sees it.
마치 몰래카메라 같은 상황에 어안이 벙벙한 이선. 이들은 이선의 집에 침입해 정보를 캐내기 시작하고 이선은 장난이 아님을 알게 되고 몰래 신고하려는데
Hang up now, or Nora dies.
What did you just say?
Right now, my people have a Barrett M82 sniper rifle at her head. Your pregnant girlfriend over at Northwind Operation.
Hello?
Now, get up and lock it in the lost and found. When the plane departs at 5:40, you and Nora are free to live your lives. If the bag gets flagged, she dies. If you talk to the police, she dies. Hey, you seem very tense.
Sure, you want me to be calm with a gun pointed at my girlfriend?
Hey, how about you tell me about your holiday plans?
We don't have any, okay?
Tell me where you met, you and Nora.
Post office.
Let me guess, she got a big job out west and you didn't have anything else going except her, so you came along for the ride.
두 사람에 대해 속속들이 늘어놓자 이선은 다시 한번 시계로 신고를 해보려 하지만
Let's cancel the text. Reach down and cancel that text right now. Now stand up and walk over to the drawer and put the watch in there next to your phone. Your father used to work in private security, still teaches at PS86. And the next time, there's gonna be consequences.
What's really in the bag?
It doesn't matter.
한편 그 시각 전날 벌어진 사건 현장에 도착한 형사 엘르나.
Oleg Vindipin and his nephew Yuri Balakin. Oleg was Brapa.
Hydroshock. Bougie. It's cricket. ATF bug. Standalone. I know somebody who might be able to uncook it.
피해자의 손목시계에서 도청 장치를 발견한 그녀는 경찰서로 돌아와 복구한 도청기를 조사하기 시작합니다.
I took what I could restore, isolated highs and lows.
Are you a terrorist?
No, Ethan, I'm not. Clients hire me to facilitate a specific result. You've been on autopilot for quite a while now. Why don't you quit? What'd you have pinned up on that vision board?
Well, you're the one who knows everything. Why don't you tell me?
You're a son of a security guard. You're observant. How about cop? A nerve hit, okay.
They kicked me out right before placement. My dad wanted to be a cop. You know what he does now?
He drives an Uber. So the world kicks him down, you lie down next to him.
자연스럽게 대화를 이어나가던 이선. 바로 그때 접시 깨진 소리가 이어폰에서도 들려오고 근처에 있음을 알게 된 이선. 소리에 집중해 범인을 찾아냅니다.
Be surprised how well I live.
범인의 위치를 알아낸 이선. 짐을 검사하는 척 라이언을 경관을 불러 임기응변을 발휘합니다.
Just do it here. I'm already late to board.
Run your boarding pass while I search.
탑승권에 메시지를 적어 라이언을 경관에게 전달한 이선.
You're all clear. Thank you for your patience. You can wait over there for your boarding pass.
들키지 않은 듯 했지만 감쪽같이 사라진 범인. 라이언을 경고하는 이를 알리 없었고 범인은 순식간에 그에게 접근합니다. 범인과 스친 라이언을. 그런데 급작스러운 심장마비로 그는 쓰러져 버리죠. 라이오널이 사망하자 죄책감에 멘탈이 무너진 이선. 그에게 범인이 모습을 드러냅니다.
Friend of yours, wasn't he? It's a shame.
You killed him.
You got cute. I'd say you killed him. You feel like killing someone else? Nora, not some cartoon villain. Active threat, not drugs. Caucasian, from New Jersey.
You weren't worried about dogs, so whatever you're smuggling, Zan, you called Manhattan the city. Played Area 51 every day for 2 years. You said I wasn't your first choice. Supposed to be Jason, wasn't it? His twins are 3.
I would have been up to Jason, but I want you to think about Nora. Now, this is the way the world works. You listening? In a few minutes, a guy with a red baseball cap's gonna walk into your lane. What do you have to do?
Nothing. Tell me there isn't something horrible in that bag.
No.
인명피해가 발생하고 노라로 협박해오는 범인. 서둘러 이선은 자리로 돌아가는데 앞불사. 자리를 비운 사이 제이슨이 돌아와 있었죠.
I got it now.
Sorry, man.
You benching me?
Jason's back on the machine, and that's final.
If you're not back on that machine by the time our man gets there, you're in breach. Your friend there is coming off the machine. You can decide if it happens your way or mine. You're a smart kid. You'll figure it out.
또다시 인명피해가 발생해서는 안 됩니다. 이선은 서둘러 면세점으로 향해 술을 훔쳐 제이슨의 커피와 바꿔치기로 합니다.
Whatever you're doing, do it fast.
I left my phone on the side there. Sorry.
You okay?
Yeah, just a bit out of it today.
It's not bad. Allow me.
겨우 제이슨의 커피를 바꿔치기 하고 범인이 이선을 거두는 그때 휴대폰을 챙겨 자연스럽게 근무에 복귀하는데.
Forward, please, sir. All right, hold the line. Hold the line. Man, really?
This isn't mine.
Ethan, you're back on 4. Come on.
Hey, you did good.
Go to hell.
자신 때문에 그 자리에서 해고된 제이슨. 이선은 혼자 죽을 맛이었죠.
You know, it's pretty weird. Our designated driver every bar night gets himself fired for drinking on the job. I thought I met assholes before.
Red baseball cap, 3 o'clock by the bins. That's our guy.
범인의 동료가 접근하고 검색대에 올라오는 캐리어. 그런데 그 안에 들어있는 것은 바로 화학무기였죠. 그 시각 복원된 도청기를 조사하던 엘레나. 범인이 거래한 화학무기를 알아내는데 범인이 거래한 무기는 해독제도 없는 신경작용제로 치사율 100%를 자랑하는 화학무기였죠.
Get me homeland.
듣도 보도 못한 화학무기에 이선은 머릿속이 하얘지기 시작합니다.
Hey!
Ethan?
Thank you.
Let him go.
Asset says the locals put out a call to home.
You killed 250 people?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I thought you said you weren't a terrorist.
I'm not a terrorist killed for religious or political or social objectives. I'm not the doer either. It's an A234 nerve agent called Novichok 7.
Take that phone, by the way.
There are kids on that flight.
Yeah, people paying me want to send a message.
What message? Who's paying you?
Ethan, the bigger the job is, and they all have casualties.
250 people is a minimum?
We just needed a little fix at the machine. Thank you. As soon as that plane takes off. The hard part's already over. Here's some gum. You want it? Now your shift's lunch break. Chew that gum, take her out to lunch. You break routine, you attract attention. Almost done.
점심시간이 되어 노라와 함께 식사를 하는 이선. 앞으로 벌어질 일을 알고 있는 그가 아내의 말에 집중할 수 있을 리 없었죠.
Get more attentive, buddy. Normal, Ethan. Keep it normal.
I only brought it to the academy because it was your dream.
Not the reaction you were hoping for, huh, buddy?
What would you tell our kid if they got knocked down? You'd say give it another shot.
That's a smart woman. You should listen to her. Tell her.
Stop telling me what to do. Hey, I'm...
Forget it, it's fine. It's been a really hard day.
Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna need a big couch to sleep on tonight.
Merry Christmas.
Nora, you're the best thing in my life.
You too.
Hey, you're back in the bed.
Agent John Alcott, DHS. I'm looking for a detective Cole.
한편 엘레나는 의혹만 있는 상황에 국토안보부 존 알콘 요원과 사태 파악에 나서는데
A 911 call placed at 10:04 this morning from inside LAX. Ethan Kopak.
이선의 신고 전화와 라이오널의 사망을 전해 듣고 엘레나는 비상사태임을 확신하죠.
So Williams died less than 2 hours ago. Put an alert out, conduct random passenger searches.
All rolling with airport PD. They could.
You're ordering a random sweep of Terminal 7, middle of Christmas Eve.
I'm gonna need
you to shut down all the lines.
What's happening?
How should I know?
All right, listen up. Everyone meet in the office right now.
공항 경찰에 연락을 받은 보안 요원들 무작위에 50명을 검사하게 되고 때를 노려 이선은 운반책에 이름을 넣어놓습니다.
Lane's open.
Do you have eyes on him?
The whole room is a blind spot.
Excited, all right? So let's go. Come on. I know it's been a particularly stressful day, so I appreciate you digging in. And I can see you want to be here.
I know what you did, and I know why you did it. Didn't think you'd be that kind of guy, bro.
Jason, I can fix this.
Don't ever talk to me again.
You alone?
Yeah.
Good, get back to work.
뒤이어 사르코스키가 운반책을 찾아내 보안실로 이동하는 것을 알게 되고
What did you do? Why'd they pull my guy?
That's all. Lottery system.
You're lying. I don't know how you did this, but this is you. Sit right back down. You leave that post here in breach. Hey, Ethan. He's on his way down. Change his mind.
Let's go for a ride.
이선이 노라에게 향하는 그때 주차장에 있던 벤 한 대가 이동하기 시작하고 노라를 겨우 만나지만 한 발 늦어버리죠.
I don't understand.
You speak one word and she dies. You have 3 seconds to back away or...
Ethan, I need you to talk to me.
Not one word.
So you're just walking away?
범인의 소나기를 벗어나기 직전 노라의 목숨으로 협박당하고 다시 제자리로 돌아옵니다. 이선의 반복된 돌발 행동에 뚜껑이 열린 범인은 그를 해치려 하는데
Take it easy, take it easy.
First, you're gonna call your sniper.
And we're gonna do the phone. Here we go. You got 10 minutes before everybody in this airport dies.
폭탄에 타이머를 누른 범인 또다시 이선은 범인의 꼭두각시가 되는 수밖에 없었죠.
What happens after that? I can disarm this thing in a minute. 250 people on a plane or 5,000 in an airport.
Okay, go.
No, you go.
Why are you making me do it?
Because you're not in control. Take the gun, maybe run.
공항 사람들의 목숨이 이선의 손에 달린 상황. 서둘러 캐리어를 향해 달려갑니다.
Is he alone? That's fine. Walk in there and shoot the boss. Each shot generates heat. If it melts, it'll explode in your hands. And oh look, Nora finally stopped crying.
Sit back away from the case, please.
All right, all right. About to be a father. Do you want your kid growing up with this in his life? Put the gun down and we can talk.
Don't make me do this.
You're talking to.
God damn it, Ethan, do it now.
자신의 상사마저 목숨을 잃게 되고 눈이 뒤집힌 이선. 그런데 운반책 또한 그와 같은 피해자였죠.
Please don't kill Jesse. You're not with them? Give me the codes.
Quiet. Unlock the door. You see the 2 switches on either side? I want you to unlock those and then lift it out of the case by the frame. There are 2 holes next to the timer and pull up. The button under the circular plate. Press it once, put it in manual mode. Breathe. If you haven't, pull up on the handles on the side of the cage. Pull it up slowly once. You'll be able to see the reset button.
Why is this door locked?
There's a button that should be visible between the brackets that'll reset the device.
Open the door. Open the goddamn door right now.
Room's all yours.
무사히 주검을 숨긴 이선과 마테오. 다행히 동료의 의심을 벗어납니다.
Something's going on with you. I'm gonna figure out what it is.
Boarding time's in a half an hour.
한편 공항을 향하고 있는 존 알컷과 엘레나. 그런데 그때 엘레나에게 전화 한 통이 걸려오는데
In play now too, by the way. Finally decided to check the FAA passenger manifest. Homeland sending someone over with the raw data. Agent John Alcott.
Brief Conley. Tell him I'm en route to LAX with Agent John Alcott right now.
Elena?
Who are you? John Alcott is on his way to the station. You intercepted my call to DHS. And what do you want with the Novichok?
You're gonna shoot me doing 70 down the highway.
Send somebody ID your body. Police, I need the car. Okay.
그 시각 사르코스키의 주검을 분리실로 가져가는 2 사람. 그런데 마테오에게 지시가 내려집니다.
Mateo, I'm speaking just to you now. Cough if you understand. Okay, put him through.
Mateo, it's me. And that you're almost done. They say there's one more thing that you have.
자신의 연인을 구하기 위해 마테오는 조용히 총을 꺼내기 시작하죠. 플라스틱 권총을 난사하던 마테오. 권총이 폭발해버리고 마테오가 숨을 거두자 그의 핸드폰을 꺼내 노라에게 연락합니다.
Sir, this is a restricted area.
연락에 닿지 않는 노라, 동료에게 연락해 위험 요소들을 전달합니다.
Hey, Miss, you can't leave your car here.
Where's the security director?
Sarkowski, do you copy?
And put Tara on notice for all Northwind flights.
Ethan, give me that case.
Looks like I nicked you. I hope you're all right. I don't want to play hide and seek. I don't want any more nonsense. Roll the case out. All right, I'm done. Play it your way. Kill the girl.
Copy that.
Merry Christmas.
Cyber short-term white van, ready Teddy. This is real? What's a ready Teddy? Eddie?
Head to the cops downstairs. Hey, man, last select right now. What the hell is that doing here?
Pull all Northwind flights and shut down Terminal 7.
서둘러 7번 터미널을 폐쇄하지만 범인은 다른 터미널로 향하고 노라는 저승사자에게 쫓기게 됩니다.
Don't move! Are you Kopak?
No, wait, no.
No, you are coming with me.
He still has it. Listen. White male, American 50s, black hat, black case with a red ribbon on.
Where's Nora?
I saw her go downstairs.
Get out of the way!
You okay? They hurt you? You're Jesse?
I'm Theo Flores. Is he?
이어 이선은 제시에게 목적지가 뉴욕이 아닌 워싱턴 행이었음을 듣게 되고
He's not supposed to be in New York?
They gave him 2 tickets.
한편 탑승전 앉아있는 범인에게 한 여성이 접근하는데
Look who's on TV.
가방을 바꿔 범인에게 낙하산을 건네주죠.
Send me everything you got. I'll let you know what we find.
Fake Alcop is former intelligence. He's discharged under some heavily redacted directors.
Kopak said these guys have spread wide and tapped in. Start with flight 1850 and then widen the net. White male, 50s, black hat, black case with a red ribbon. Find him and do not let him board.
치밀한 속임수로 경찰의 눈을 따돌리고 국회의원의 뒤를 따라 비행기에 올라탄 범인. 그런데 이선의 바꿔치기로 캐리어가 들어가지 않고
No, I promise you, I measured it myself.
We'll see, it's already been flagged.
이선과 노라는 위탁 수화물을 검색해 비행기를 찾아냅니다.
It's on Transglobal 0610 to Washington, D.C.
이어 이선은 자신이 폭탄을 해체하겠다고 이야기하고
Tell her she has to let that plane take off.
한편 엘레나는 범인이 노비촉을 사용해 러시아의 테러인 것처럼 꾸며 민간 군수업체의 이익을 위해 여론을 조작하려는 것임을 알게 됩니다.
She has been the face of DT, but she doesn't have the votes. Private contractors get more than they ever dreamed.
Taiwan needs to ground that plane now. Where's Transglobal 610 now? You need to stall it. Keep it on the ground.
Are you with LAPD? You can't ground 610. You just tried to arrest my boyfriend, Ethan Kopak.
I know what's on it. Tell your boyfriend to stay out of it.
And the moment he sees anyone coming, he will set it up. Ethan can disarm it without him knowing. It's the only way. He did it before, he can do it again. It's the only way.
Detective?
Allow 610 to take off.
You sure?
Flight attendants, prepare for takeoff, please.
stopped being funny the last time I shot you.
I'm dead anyway if I let you set this thing off.
Okay.
LA Tower, we have 2 armed individuals aboard the aircraft. For your safety, we are returning to LAX.
You're about to die with everyone else on this plane. You think bombs spoil?
궁지에 몰려 자포자기한 듯한 이 손에 긴장을 풀고 낙하산을 준비하는 범인. 이어 캐리어의 화학 무기를 확인하는데 그에 미친 임기응변으로 겨우 범인을 제압합니다.
Where's the Novichok?
Vacuum sealed in a fridge.
You got a dispersed nerve agent? Get him to a medic. Ethan! Let her through!
Are you okay?
Yeah. I love you.
I love you.
Yeah, I'm sorry I hit you.
Call me when you get that stitched up.
이렇게 성공적으로 테러를 막아내고 그는 꿈에 그리던 경찰이 되며 영화는 끝이 납니다.
Alright, let's go.
안녕하세요, 덕봉입니다. 오늘의 영화 2024년에 공개된 시간 순삭 스릴러 영화 돈무브, 오늘의 여자 주인공 캐리온이었습니다. 세 편 다 몰입감 있고 짜임새 있는 작품으로 아주 재미있게 본 작품들인데요. 돈무브는 90분의 짧은 러닝타임으로 지루할 틈 없이 고조되는 긴장감이 인상적인 작품이었고, 오늘의 여자 주인공 또한 94분의 짧은 러닝타임으로 피해자 측의 시선으로 이야기를 풀어가며 잔인한 장면 없이도 공포감과 불안감을 서서히 고조시키는 연출이 인상 깊었습니다. 마지막으로 캐리온은 비교적 긴 119분의 러닝타임이지만 믿고 보는 배우 테런 에저튼과 제이슨 베이트먼의 호흡, 그리고 재미없을 수 없는 줄거리로 지루할 틈 없는 작품이었습니다. 개인적으로 정말 재미있게 감상한 스릴러 영화 3편을 모아봤습니다. 혹시나 아직 안 보셨다면 정주행 추천드리면서 오늘 영상 여기서 마치겠습니다. 재미있게 보셨다면 구독과 좋아요 부탁드립니다. 항상 건강하시길 바라겠습니다.